I'd like to show you my complete adult acne system. I'm Dr. Anjali with Anjali MD Skincare. I made my adult acne system for patients that are suffering with persistent adult acne. I know how devastating adult acne can be. I see it in my clinic every day. You're at a point in life where things are going pretty well and you have control over your life. But no matter how many creams and treatments you try or how many changes you make in your lifestyle, breakouts just keep coming, which can be incredibly frustrating. A lot of people give up on ever achieving clear skin. If you're watching this video, I want you to know I understand. I know it's not fair. Adult acne can really affect your self-esteem and your confidence. I made our adult acne system to help adults who are suffering. My main goal in making this system was to clear your skin by balancing it. Over the years, I've seen this in my practice. Adult acne is caused by your skin overreacting to stress, to the environment, and to monthly hormonal changes. We can't change our stress or the world around us, but we can change how our skin reacts to those acne triggers. I think that's what makes adult acne so different from teen acne. Adult skin has its own challenges, so we have to treat adult skin separate from how we treat teenagers, so we finally get you clear skin. My adult acne system is very easy to use. It has 2 simple steps in the morning and 2 simple steps at night. In the morning, you wash your face with clarifying cleanser, so you start the day with a clean face. Then you apply Brilliance Serum. At night, you wash your face again to remove any oils and makeup from the day. Then you apply Balancing Lotion. It's important to wash your face in the morning and at night to remove oils and bacteria that cause pimples. Our clarifying cleanser is very anti-inflammatory. It has a large dose of Bodhi, a balancing extract that calms your skin. And it has tea tree and salicylic acid that clean deep into your pores. Clarifying cleanser also has alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid, and lactic acid to exfoliate dull skin, and lemon extract, a great source of vitamin C that brightens skin and reduces spots and discoloration. Clarifying cleanser is an amazing cleanser that leaves your skin clean and refreshed. As soon as you use it, you'll notice how renewed and pure your complexion looks. It's also very invigorating, especially in the morning. Our patients look forward to using it because of the lemon and tea tree scent. After using clarifying cleanser in the morning, you apply 1 pump of our Brilliance Serum. Brilliance Serum is a lightweight moisturizer that controls acne. It contains my BCG complex, a mixture of burnet, cinnamon, and ginger that calms skin as it faces stress throughout the day. And it has white tea, an excellent antioxidant. And hyaluronic acid, which is so moisturizing. It just glides right into your skin and locks in that moisture. Brilliance Serum is packed with alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic acid, and lactic acid, and a burst of lemon and vitamin C to give your complexion a radiant glow. Because I know acne scars are a real concern, it was important to me to reduce spots and discoloration. So I added mimosa extract and black pepper, which increase microcirculation and collagen in the skin. I made sure Brilliance Serum absorbs quickly, so you can wear makeup on top. It actually is a phenomenal makeup primer. It has a fresh lemon and ginger scent. You can smell the botanicals. After you come home at night, you wash your face with clarifying cleanser to remove any oils and makeup from the day. Take those moments to let yourself relax. Then pat your skin dry and apply 1 pump of Balancing Lotion. Balancing Lotion is powerful because night is when our skin goes through its natural healing process. So using balancing lotion is the most important step to achieving clear skin. I think fighting inflammation is the most important thing you can do for a pimple-free complexion. So I've filled balancing lotion with healing and anti-inflammatory botanicals. I included neem and margosa, which are used in Asian beauty to heal sensitive, damaged skin. I also included my powerful BCG complex and turmeric, a potent antioxidant that stops your skin's cycle of overreactivity and fights inflammation and calms skin. Balancing lotion also contains retinol, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and brightening vitamin C to increase your skin's radiance and decrease spots and discoloration from acne, so you get a brighter, smoother complexion. Balancing lotion is a great nighttime moisturizer. When you put it on, it has a calming smell from the white tea that just relaxes you at the end of the day. So 2 simple steps in the morning and 2 simple steps at night to clear your acne. I want you to remember that you can achieve clear skin. We can gain control over your adult acne together. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.